How to add affiliate links to Shopify. Hi guys, today I will give you a quick tutorial on how to add affiliate links to your product on Shopify. So let's get started. What do I mean by adding affiliate links? Well, when we create a product on Shopify, we can actually go ahead and create an affiliate link for our affiliates. For example, if you're working with different influencers, you can create an affiliate link for them, and whenever somebody will buy a product from their affiliate link, they will also earn some profit, commission, and then I will, of course, earn my money. So, this is how it works and how to create this affiliate link. You can simply go to your Shopify app store. Once you are here, I want you guys to search for affiliate. Okay, so you can see it will give you a bunch of different results, but we have this one right here, Go F Pro Affiliate Marketing, and it is actually a free platform. It has a free plan available and it works really good. So I'm gonna just select this one right here, and then I'm gonna click on Add App. Okay, so we have to install, click on Install App, and there you go. We have actually added this platform to our Shopify. I have it right here. And now what I'm going to do is I can just simply generate my affiliate links and add them to my Shopify. So these are going to be some of my affiliate links. You can see affiliate portal, affiliate login page, affiliate sign up page. So if I want someone to sign up with an affiliate link, then this is going to be the link. Then I have login page one, and I can create more and more affiliate links as well with this one right here. You can just go to your affiliates as well, and you can add your affiliate information here. You can set your commission rates, which is going to be 10%, but you can change it if you want to change the percentage. Affiliate commissions, product commissions right here, and then we have all of our information given. So it's a really good platform to add affiliate links to your Shopify, and now you know how to do that. You can generate any kind of affiliate link from here, and you will be able to then send this link to your different influencers you work with, and then people will simply buy your product and you will making the money, and you will giving away 10% or so to your different affiliates. So these are different important links, and you can generate more with GoF Pro and use it with Shopify to add affiliate links. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.